Hey there, welcome to the video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face. Have you ever had the problem of needing to split a large PDF file into individual pages but couldn't remember how to do it efficiently? Well, you're not alone. Sometimes we've done something in the past but can't seem to recall the exact steps. That's the problem we're going to solve today. In the solution, we have a handy way to split that PDF file seamlessly. The trick lies in using either Automator or shortcuts with the split PDF actions. By creating a workflow with these actions, you can generate a quick action that will make the process a breeze. Just imagine, with a simple click, you can efficiently split that 30-page PDF into 30 individual files without the tedious task of dragging pages one by one. It's like magic, but real. To wrap it all up, we cracked the code on splitting that PDF file effortlessly. With the power of Automator or shortcuts and the split PDF actions, you can say goodbye to the days of manual page dragging. Efficiency at its finest, right? So, next time you're faced with the daunting task of splitting a PDF, remember this neat solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy splitting!